Most welcome in one and another special episode of One Word Substitution. The rejection of all religious and moral principles in the belief that life is meaningless. This is called nihilism, Nihilism, nihilism. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे शून्यवाद कहा जाता है. A transcendent state in which there is neither suffering, desire nor sense of self. This is called nirvana, Nirvana, nirvana. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे मोक्ष कहा जाता है. Occurring at night, this is called nocturnal, Nocturnal, nocturnal. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे रात में होने वाली कहा जाता है. People of no fixed abode, this is called nomads, nomads, nomads. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे खाना बदोश कहा जाता है. A system of naming things, this is called nomenclature, Nomenclature, nomenclature. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे नाम पद्धति कहा जाता है. An unimportant person, this is, he is called nonentity, nonentity, nonentity. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे तुच्छ व्यक्ति कहा जाता है. Delusion of suffering from a disease, this is called nosomania. This is called nosomania, Nosomania. ये एक नाउन है, इसमें इसे हिंदी में बीमारी से पीड़ित होने का भ्रम कहा जाता है. सेंटिमेंटल लॉन्गिंग फॉर ए पीरियड इन द पास्ट, दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉस्टैल्जिया, Nostalgia, नॉस्टैल्जिया. एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे अतीत के घटनाओं की यादें कहा जाता है. वेल नोन फॉर बीइंग बैड, a person of evil reputation, well known for being bad, a person of evil reputation. This is called notorious, notorious, notorious. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे कुख्यात कहा जाता है. A person who is new to a profession without training or experience in a skill or subject. A person who is new to a profession without training or experience in a skill or subject. This is called novice, Novice, novice. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे नौसिखिया कहा जाता है. To reduce to nothing, this is called null, This is a verb, हिंदी में इसे शून्य कहा जाता है. One who studies the occult meanings of numbers and their supposed influence on human lives. This is called numerologist, Numerologist. Numerologist. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अंक ज्योतिषी कहा जाता है. The study or collection of coins, this is called numismatics, Numismatics, numismatics. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे मुद्रा शास्त्र कहा जाता है. The person who collects coins, this is called numismatist, numismatist. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे मुद्रा शास्त्री कहा जाता है. A place where young plants, trees are grown for sale for planting somewhere else. This is called nursery, This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे पौधा घर कहा जाता है. An extreme fear of darkness, an extreme fear of darkness. This is called nyctophobia, 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 nyctophobia. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अंधेरे का डर कहा जाता है. A fertile tract in a desert where the water table approaches the surface. This is called oasis, 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 oasis. This is a noun, हिंदी के में इसे मरुस्थल के बीच हरित भूमि कहा जाता है. A notice of person's death, a notice of person's death. This is called obituary, OBITUARY, obituary. This is a noun, हिंदी में शोक संदेश कहा जाता है. Not clear is called obscure, OBSCURE, obscure. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे अस्पष्ट कहा जाता है. A place where astronomical observations are made, a place where astronomical observations are made. This is called observatory, OBSERVATORY, observatory. This is noun, हिंदी में इसे वेधशाला कहा जाता है. Passing out of use, passing out of use. This is called obsolescent, 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 obsolescent. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे अप्रचलित कहा जाता है. Something no longer in use, something no longer in use. This is called obsolete, OBSOLETE, obsolete. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे अप्रचलित कहा जाता है. Relating to the countries of the West, relating to the countries of West. This is called occidental, 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 occidental. ये एक एडजेक्टिव है, हिंदी में इसे पश्चिमवासी कहा जाता है. A geometrical figure with 8 sides. This is called octagon. This is called octagon, OCTAGON, octagon. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अष्टभुज कहा जाता है. One who is 80 years old, one who is 80 years old. This is called octogenarian, 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 octogenarian. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे 80 साल का वृद्ध कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of One Word Substitution. Thanks, regards.